Hey guys, today we're going to be resetting the oil service light on a 2019 X3 G01. To start, you're going to want to press the start stop button 3 times. Once you get into diagnostic mode, the prompts go through. Once you see your miles and trip meter, you're going to want to press this button over here in the corner. Hold it down for a few seconds. Then you want to let go. Press and hold. Reset question mark comes up. Let go. Press and hold. Once reset in progress is calculating, you'll get your new miles and date, and you're all done.